This has absolutely nothing to do with regular computer lab. This is the 5.0 Innovation Lab at NIAT partnered university. So, what happens in this 5.0 lab? Every project built here is rooted in the philosophy of Industry 5.0, where NIATians harness technology to build physical AI solutions that help people.
When you build something alone or with your team, and when that idea works, that feeling is just something else.
While also expressing their own creativity and critical thinking. That's exactly why we call this space a student-led 5.0 Innovation Lab. Here, students get direct access to advanced technologies.
Mentors here always guide us throughout when we are stuck anywhere. And honestly, that makes a huge difference.
They gain practical knowledge, improve problem-solving skills, and build confidence.
We forgot about time while working on projects. That's how addictive this lab is.
Some of the projects students are working on are autonomous drones, scaled version of self-driving cars, IoT systems, humanoid robots, robotic arms that can potentially work in places too dangerous for humans.
Every innovation we build should mean something to society. That's the whole point for us.
What is the point of spending years in learning without practical knowledge? It's like watching a lot of car videos and thinking you can drive. Doesn't work that way, right? At some point, you have to get in and drive.